Okay, for start, let's remove the carbs. So this is humongous, setup for the carbs. You have like from here to here, all that under is the carburetor body with the air filter attached. So we'll remove the air filter, remove everything that is on my way, tubes and stuffs, and hopefully we need to unclamp these intake folds so we can move them up. It will help us to move it on the side and remove it from the bike. You have some excellent videos on YouTube. If you need more details on this, I'll just record the process itself, Now, let's rotate this. So, you just need to take your time and try to figure out what is stopping you to remove them. What the fuck? What a fucking monstrosity. Look, my bench. What the fuck? Okay, but I cannot wait to see the state of them. Let's tear them down a little bit. Yeah, I like this old school. I like it. Okay. But the main part is, let's see what is under. Let's see what is waiting us. Okay. That's always good sign when you cannot remove. Okay. Yeah. You see the rust. Everything is gunked. You see this layer of greenish, sorry, I don't know, is it focused or not? Yeah, see the layer of green inside. That's always great sign. Okay, now it is going out without the problem. That's also nice. Usually they know to be stuck. Okay. It's not technically. And the needle is completely stuck in carb. Okay. You need to be very gentle with. Okay. So this is the first time that I see that needle is stuck, you know? That's why I said that I won't even bother to try to start this bike and put him to the stress. So now and this is also important part, you know, to find a good screwdriver for the jets, because you don't want to mess them. Even better for the main jet, you can use 8mm small wrench. But I need to be careful, you know, not to broke off something. Not. is that? 6 minutes? 7 minutes? Okay. Yeah, 7 minutes. Okay. Now the idle jet. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah. Idle is seized. It broke off. Oh, yeah, it's gotta be fun. Okay, let's put some carburetor cleaner. In there, just to dissolve everything. Oh, fuck. No. One very important thing. Never put the carburetor cleaner with your diaphragm on. Okay. That's cool. Look. Yeah, they're really, really bad. You know, when you have stuck piston like this, the trick is that you don't ever pull it, of course, for the diaphragm, but the trick is that you press from the inner side and try to move it. Okay. So you don't damage anything. Oh, motherfucker. Do you see this? It's really bad. It's really bad. Okay, so off the camera I removed the mixture screw. I recorded the setting, it's 2 turns out, but you know, we will go with default from service manual. But now is the time that I decide how deep I want to go into the carburetors, and decision not to remove something, you know, could prove bad. But on the other hand, you know, maybe we can help them without removing the, you know, bodies one from another, because then you have a whole shebang of other things that you need to put on, and they are complicated as is. Just be careful when you put them on the other side, you know that you will leave them on these, and these are easily broken, so be careful with that. I will need to figure out some jig you know, to help me with it. But let's see for carburetor one. So you need to clean them, you know, you just need, you know, do everything that is needed. I will not show you the whole process, I will show you the end result, but you know, you need to clean with the toothbrush, with the ear picks, try different solvents, you know, remove old gaskets, be careful to remove everything, spray through these passages, put the air compressor, you know, air through it. So you need to do what you need to do to make them perfect. And the carburetors known to be very particular on what's considered to be clean good. So, you know, yeah, you need to invest a lot of time to make them perfect. Other thing that I do on every carburetor, first thing, I will check the diaphragm. I think they are good. I don't see any pinholes, but the best way to do it is, you know, to put it on some bright light in the dark room and then see through it. You know, if you see some pinholes or something, you need to change, and they are quite expensive. Other thing, on this we will remove the needles. I don't think they are salvageable. You know, maybe I will brush them just to see. I mean, if you brush them, they will, you know, you will trim a little bit and you will have a little bit richer mixture, but we will get the new ones because these are really terrible. When you check the diaphragm and remove, change the, you have here the screw that will click and you will remove it out. We need to check intake rubbers. You will most probably find them to be really hard. These ones are even okay. Maybe we will try that trick for restoring them, you know, the softness with the winter green. Spring is okay. For these you need to check, is there any liquid in them, because they not the plastic ones, but if you have brass ones, they are prone to let the liquid in, so you check for that. And of course we'll check the float heights when we put back together carbs. This is from intake manifold. We'll try to find a new ones just to be sure, because I find as you can see, I find that somebody put there the gasket maker, so maybe he had a vacuum leak on them. We will clean, and we removed this is all part of the choke mechanism. Usually I wouldn't do that, but the state of the carburetors is in the way that we need to check everything and clean everything, and that's the choke is the part of the primary circuit, so I want to clean all that very good. So this is the needle seat. We need to clean on the needle. You need to check top of this. Maybe far. Oh, yeah, I will need the magnifier to check this. You know, it can trick you, so be careful. You see this, you will have like groove on top of them. That means that they could let the fuel pass them. So this filter under the needle will be cleaned. We have this fucking fucker. Okay, so this is the main jet, but just the top is the main jet, and we need to clean this really good. If we didn't get that in the set that I will soon have, we'll check and clean. This is the primary jet, and they are almost always clogged, so on these old bikes, so you need to clean them or replace them. I hope we'll replace it. We will clean the pin that holds the floats. This is the mixture screw, so we'll clean it, check it. I didn't find rubber gaskets under the mixture screw, and I should, so I will check that. Be sure to, you know, check inside of mixture screw that you get out this small shim, see, and you have small o-ring like that. We will try to find the rubber on this. Is there o-ring beneath inside the carburetor still? But also very often this one will not come out with the mixture screw. We left with the ball, so we will remove this drainage screw here, clean them and clean the ball right, and we will get in set, we will get the new gasket, so we'll remove the old one and put the new one in. I didn't know what you know, what carburetor is what number, so I just named them by myself with these numbers, and they are corresponding with the numbers on box, so I know what came out from what carburetor. Don't mix parts. I mean, theoretically you could, but it's always better to know what came out from what carburetor. Okay, that's it, guys. So in our future video, everything will be clean. I will put the carburetors back together and put them on bike. If I find something interesting, I will let you know. See you guys.